super cat is right here, Gekko. Hey, Catboy. You said you heard me coming. Guess what's behind my back? Pizza. Pizza? It's Legos. Yay, Legos! We're celebrating Legos 40th anniversary for minifigures. And we're celebrating Jack's birthday. Hey, it's so small. Jack needs a baby friend, and look right there. Oh, he's a baby carrier. Super Catboy class. Hey, Catboy, that's not how to open that. Oh, let's see what it is. These are the brand new Harry Potter blind bags. Look, it's Grandpa. Just kidding. Ooh, you opened it. Hey, look at the tent. It's a green baby Lego. I think it likes Gekko. No, the baby's friend will Jack. Yeah, I guess you're right. Baby can fly on an eagle. Baby, you can be on our team. Stop Luna Girl. Look at what we built so far. I like this one the most. Want fish, little baby? Look, the baby's fishing with Daddy. What do you think, Gekko? Cool, this is the coolest Lego minifigure set ever. Look at this tent. Whoa. We could open it up. And there's 2 beds inside. Oh no, there's a shark after the boat. Engine, no, the shark's still coming. Gekko, you gotta save the baby. Jack will save the day. He destroyed the shark. Now he wants to get on the boat. Everyone write down in the comment section if you like Legos. And look at this. I can't believe it. The Ninjalino is still sleeping in my bed. I'm already late for school, so I'll have to talk to him later. That was a nice 2-minute nap. Wait, where's Gekko? Did I sleep 8 hours? Aw, man, this wasn't my plan. Now I have to wait at his house until he comes home from school. At least I have plenty of time to think how should I attack him. I'm home. Ninjalino, are you here? Oh, yeah, I'm here. And you took off your mask? Gekko, I didn't know you would be back this soon. Cripes! Ninjalino, why are you in my house? Jumping on my bed. I was supposed to hide. You weren't supposed to see me. Hey, do you want to make pancakes? Are you hungry? No. No? No pancakes? What's that for then? This is for removing sticky splats off me. Do you want to be on my team, a good Ninjalino? No, never! I'm the good guy, you're the bad guy. You don't like Ninjalinos. You say they're bad at fighting. I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to leave now, but when you're sleeping, I'm going to get you. What? You have to be on the good team. Don't go! Oh, this isn't good. He might get me while I'm sleeping. I don't think I'll get any sleep tonight. Yay, he He's finally asleep. I got my sticky splats ready, and this time I'm going to get him without falling to sleep on the comfy bed. Alright, easy does it. Don't fall to sleep. Don't fall to sleep. Don't fall to sleep. Comfy bed. I'm going to fall to sleep. Wait, I'm supposed to get Gekko. Sticky splat, sticky splat. Put all the sticky splats. Yeah, look at that. All on his side. He won't be able to get up. Ha ha, I got you. This serves you right for teasing Ninjalinos. Have fun being glued to your bed for a while. I'm out of here so I don't get in trouble. Oh, whoa, there's my mask. Better pick that up. Wait a minute, I can't move. I can't move. There's something sticky on me. Oh no, an Ninjalino! I can't believe it. This is so embarrassing. Catboy, please help! What happened, Gekko? Oh no, sticky splat. I have this. This is a special one. This will help you. Ow. Ow. Sing. Well, ow. Wow, thank you, Catboy. You saved me. How did you get so many sticky splats? A Ninjalino. Oh. Now we have to figure out a way to stop this baby Ninjalino before he hurts me again. And write down in the comment section how we should get rid of him. Like and subscribe. And what splat? Sticky splat. I have this. It's a frying pan. This is a paduga. Can't move. Hey guys, I can't move. Oh, Catboy. I think Rome knows our park. Let me try finding him. Is he on this giant slide? Yes, he is, but I gotta find Romeo. Whoa! I didn't find Romeo, but I found his new toy. It's me, Catboy, and dressed up like Catboy. Won't I look so cute? Where's my Carter turn into Catboy? Here's Carter. He need to turn to Catboy. Then you can stop Romeo. There's Catboy. Carter looks best as costume, just like me. Catboy, I found Romeo! Oh, sorry, we gotta get him. Don't kick my new toy. Wow, Catboy, this is so cool. What does it do, and where is Gekko? Don't press my button so many times I'll break it. Let me show you how it works. There's Carter. It's really gentle. And there's Catboy. But there's no Gekko. I know. Wait, maybe if I press this a lot of times, the Gekko would appear. Oh, do it! Gekko! How? Gekko's going to come. A smoking! Because it's going so fast. It's going slow! This is not good. What happened? It's a giant Catboy! And it talks! We're cat speed! If this is giant Catboy, what's on the other side? Little Catboy? It's fun to be a hero! Baby Catboy. Daddy Catboy and Baby Catboy. Thank you making my toy cool. Like and subscribe and watch more videos. But now I need to go find Romeo.
The toys used in this video are the new PJ Masks transforming playsets. Right here I have the Gekko transforming playset. You see it comes with 2 figures. There's Greg and he transforms into Gekko. Then over here is Catboy and it's Connor that turns into Catboy. And then I have this cool giant talking Catboy.
I'm Gekko!
Hey Gekko!
I'm Gekko! No, I am what Gekko is in real life.
The real Gekko. You're Greg, Gekko, Toby.
Greg, Toby.
Oh wait, there's Catboy. Connor the Catboy. Hey Catboy!
Catboy, you wouldn't believe this. Romeo stole all my toys. Oh, Romeo, I don't like him. When I went to bed, all my PJ Masks toys were in my room, but now when I woke up, they're gone. I was looking for my toys and found this map in Romeo's house. It says they're at the beach in a cave. Whoa! You want to help me? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the beach. Okay, the map I found in Romeo's house says he hid the toys in the cave over here. Let's go find them. Is that one of your toys? No, it's a jellyfish. Oh, just pick it up. This is a skinny jellyfish. I found this, but it's not what I'm looking for. Oh, another jellyfish. It's not stingy. Ah, boom! Jellyfish to the fish. Wait a minute, there's a cave right there. It has a toy. This is scary. Maybe my toys are inside. No, it's more like this cowboy. Hey, that's your toy. I found one. Yay! This cave is so big. Is there anything in here? No, up here. Alex. Oh. Let's find more toys. That's fun. Yay! Are there any toys in here? Nope. We only found 2 toys, but we need to find 4 more. Let's look for another cave. Yeah. This cave is huge. Yeah, poking of it. How would we find our toys if the cave is so big? Nothing in here. I hope I find my Gekko Romeo. Do you see any of my toys? Yeah. Gekko, look up here. Where? Up there? No. Oh, there it is. Where? Here he is. I can't believe I found him. 3 more toys to go. This is the last cave on the map. Hopefully the toys are in here. This is the scariest cave of them all, so we need lights. I'll wait outside, I'm scared. Nope, I have a light and you need to find the other Catboy toy. I don't know what I'm doing. Boys, where are you? Oh, I found one Catboy! Whoa. Oh, Alex! Oh, there. Whoa. How about these here? We're only missing one more toy. Where can it be? I can't find it. There it is! Yes, Catboy! We have it! Well, we got all of our toys! Yippee! But when Romeo tries looking for them, he'd be really surprised when he couldn't find them. And he couldn't find his map I took. Have you ever been in a cave before? Like and subscribe.